These students are protecting and improving the Chesapeake Bay without ever leaving the school grounds. Check it out.
Hold it in the air, get all the dirt underneath it, and then this tree will sort of sit right like this. Does that make sense?
The students at Waples Mill Elementary School in Virginia are busy. They're planting trees, recycling paper, raising fish, building birdhouses, and a whole lot more. You see, their science conservation teacher, Mr. Duffy, is showing them the importance of giving back what we take from the environment. So these students are working as junior environmental scientists. And it's all for Mother Earth.
The future is theirs, and they can have an impact on that future. They don't have to just accept the world we give them. They can be positive change agents to making that world a better place.
And sometimes, making the world a better place means getting your hands, well, a little dirty.
Got to put a little bit of elbow grease into it to get it to go down.
Right now, Mr. Duffy is working with the students to plant trees in front of the school.
We're planting trees. Trees help us have oxygen, and we get wood from them and paper, and they're a good natural resource.
In addition to planting trees out front, in the back of the school, the students and teachers have created a real-life wetlands habitat.
We're talking about the two main goals of increasing wildlife habitat and taking care of our watershed better than we've taken care of it in the past. The simple word for that is stewardship or conservation. See these nice plants here that are going to grow back in a couple weeks? We could make it a really nice place for two reasons. What are those two reasons? What was one of them?
Habitat.
Habitat for?
For the caterpillars and butterflies and stuff like that.
And then what is it good for people for? What's the other reason?
The water. Clean water.
Clean water, yeah.
Clean water is important. And so are the animals that live in the water. That's why students at Waples Mill are also becoming biologists. Inside their own classrooms, students hatch and care for a species of fish called shad.
In the last 30, 40, 50, 60 years, we have overfished the shad. We have polluted the rivers too much with fertilizers and on. And we have also built dams that go right on the rivers and have cut off their habitat. So lots of ways we have made what used to be an almost inexhaustible resource become unsustainable for all those reasons.
These junior scientists are doing real-life jobs.
They call it citizen science, that the children are planting trees and we're recording data about those trees that then goes to the professionals. We're working with professional fish scientists. So these children are working with scientists as scientists.
Whether they're acting as environmental scientists or fisheries biologists, all of the students at Waples Mill are helping to protect the environment and learning to use resources wisely.
There seems to be no exception to the rule that all of these resources, we need to take care of them so that forever, whether it's crabs or fish or timber or clean water, if it is a resource that we're going to be using, that you don't wipe it out in the time that you are using that resource.
Or in other words, the resources on Earth must be replenished at the rate that they are being used.